Hello and welcome to the Acceleration Podcast, Episode 2. Today what we're going to look at is we've got a problem wherein we've got a bunch of dates where sales were made and we want to have a serial number for each of those dates. And we want the serial number to be the date as an 8-digit code, and then we want 001 for the first thing sold on that day, then 002 for the second thing, and so on and so forth. And then when it goes to a new day, like here it went from the first to the second, we want to start over with that process. So to do that, we're going to do two major constructions. The first of which we're going to start with the count if. We're going to click this right here. We're going to hit Shift colon to make that an expandable range. And we're going to click on this guy right here and hit F4 to pin that top left corner. So when we copy and paste this thing down, the top left corner will stay where it is and the bottom corner will continue to expand. That's what makes it expandable. I'm going to hit comma. I'm going to hit B4 again and hit close parentheses. So here is the first item, and what this is doing is this is going to count until it gets to a new day, then it's going to count over again. Double click to send it down. Okay, so here it's the 1st of January, 1, 2, 3. Then on the 2nd of January, 1. Then on the 3rd of January, 1, 2. Yep, just what we want. The only thing though is if you'll notice, we want to have 3 digits here, even if there's no numbers associated with those. So to do that, I'm going to click over here. I'm going to hit F2 to go into edit mode. I'm going to use the following function, text, open parentheses. What text does is it converts a value into a text string based on a custom formatting string, just like you would do if you were using custom formatting. So the format I'm going to do in here is first I typed in the text function. The first argument was what number do you want to convert and how would you like it displayed? I would like this number displayed 000. And what that does is it shows 3 digits no matter what the number is, and if the number doesn't have a digit up like in the hundreds, it just shows 0. So it would display 100 as 100 just like you normally would. It would display 10 as 010 and 1 as 001. So hit enter, click here, double click to send it down, and okay, good. Now we've got this little last part here. The only other thing we need is this guy right here. So I'm going to click here, hit F2 to go into edit mode. And I'm also going to use the text function again. This time I'm going to convert this date serial number right here. Clicking on it, I'm going to hit the comma button. So this is the number I want to convert, and the format I want to use is year, y, hyphen, month, hyphen, day, hyphen. And close quotation marks to end the string. Close parentheses to end the function, and I'm going to want to ampersand these together. And when I use this ampersand operator, what it does is it takes this text string and this text string and it puts them together. Okay, so hit enter. Good, that's exactly like the first one I want, and I'm going to double click to send it down. Okay, fantastic. This is exactly what we were looking for, so problem solved. I hope you enjoyed this and found it informative. I'll see you at the next podcast.